Hi guys!
GalaxyGirls here.
Today we're doing Raining Tacos.
So today I'm going to be playing the girl. So Katie is the girl.
Yes. I am a boy.
So Madison is the boy.
Yes. And we're both the other ones. And leave a comment down below. # Madison or Katie best.
So
all
if you
capitals.
if you think Madison's the best, all in capitals, you type # Madison best. If you think Katie's the best, you type # Katie best. Okay.
And leave a comment for Jackaroo and leave a comment for us. And now I'll help both of us the best. So I hope you enjoy. And let's skip this.
So wait, I need to get it to.
It's right.
Oh, why does it have to load?
It's raining tacos.
Hang on. It froze.
It's raining tacos.
It froze again.
From out of the sky.
Sorry,
Tacos. Don't need to ask why. Just open your mouth
and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out in the streets, tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum.
like cream.
Chocolate. Gel, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos.
Ooh,
Raining tacos.
ooh,
Raining tacos.
ooh. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so sorry it paused.
But you still had the best photo in the world.
So we will try and put the link to Decora's channel in the link.
Oh, by the way,
is it link in the description?
Yeah.
So that you can see the actual video.
by the way, whoever gets the least amount of votes has to do a really scary game on their own, but their friend has to watch them.
So yeah.
Bye.
Bye.